In Southern California, rooftops are everywhere, and opportunity is waiting. If you've worked on roofing projects in San Diego, you know the 3 words that can stop a solar install in its tracks. Talk to HOA, strict design guidelines, aesthetic disputes, slow approvals, permits that don't match the job, deals lost before they even start. You're halfway through the roof, but the solar? Dead in the water. That's where we come in. At Save on Solar Now, we don't just install panels. We handle the HOA, the permits, the politics, and the paperwork. From city permits to board approval packets, we run the full play. Instant San Diego permitting tools, HOA-friendly designs, clear layouts that get the stamp. We clear the red tape so your projects move forward. Roofing companies trust us because we make solar painless. Our timelines match your install schedule. Our tech handles the paperwork. Our packages pass board votes. If you've ever had a project stall at the HOA, you already know why we're worth it. Let's turn HOA headaches into high-margin wins. Partner with Save on Solar Now, San Diego's rooftop revenue experts.